Hello everyone, hope you are having a good time. Today in this video, we'll show the 5 best kayak pedals for the money on the market that will help you to choose the best one. So let's dive into the video. The Overmont kayak pedal with Leash 2-piece heavy-duty construction for easy storage is an excellent choice for those who want a high-quality and affordable pedal. The feather-shaped blade and double serrated teeth edge design are great for directing water to drip off the blades and not run down the shaft. The hollow aluminum shaft tube also ensures that the pedal will float on the water. The 3 locking positions are easy to adjust and ensures that the pedal can be used by kayakers of different heights. The package includes a paddle leash, which is great for preventing the pedal from getting lost. Overall, this is a great pedal for kayaking enthusiasts who want a high-quality pedal that is also affordable. Pros: lightweight, comes with a pedal leash. Looking for a durable and adjustable pedal for your water trips? Look no further than the Poseidon Pedals 89. With 2 sturdy pieces of aluminum construction and an impact-resistant fiberglass reinforced polypropylene blade, this pedal is built to last. The feathered blade design ensures optimal durability, while adjustable drip rings help keep your hands dry for a better grip. The enforced push-button connection with a 0 to 65-degree angle adjustment provides versatility for your pedaling needs. At 89 inches long, this pedal is just the right length for your water adventures. Pros: durable and sturdy aluminum construction, adjustable drip rings to keep hands dry for better grip. Cons: no ergonomic bends in the shaft. Abahub 1X kayak pedals are the perfect addition to your kayaking gear. They are made of premium quality aluminum alloy shaft and reinforced polypropylene blades. This kayak pedal is designed to last for years. It's lightweight, durable, and perfect for both beginners and intermediate kayakers. With 3 locking positions to offset the blade, this 2-section detachable kayak pedal is easy to use and provides you with a better grip with its 0.5 mm shaft rubber cover. The energy-efficient blade design with hollow spine reinforcement and feathered blade makes it comfortable and energy-saving, both for casual and long-distance pedaling. Pros: lightweight, durable, easy to use, energy-efficient blade design. Looking for a durable and affordable kayak pedal? Look no further than the OCEANBROAD carbon shaft adjustable kayak pedal. This lightweight pedal features a carbon fiber composite shaft and a fiberglass reinforced PP blade, making it a great choice for kayakers of all skill levels. With 5 length choices and 3 detachable selections, it's easy to customize and transport. Plus, the free bungee pedal leash, 3 locking positions, and drip rings at the blade makes it easy to use and keeps your hand dry. Pros: sturdy design for moving water, can be adjusted for offset pedals. Looking for a durable and portable kayak pedal? WONITAGO kayak pedals are made of high-quality aluminum alloy with a shrinking PE tube cover to provide a better grip for your hands. The PP blade is durable and corrosion resistant, while the streamlined design adds power and stability to the stroke, reducing flutter of the paddle. The adjustable 3-piece combined design makes the pedal more portable, allowing you to separate it into 3 parts for easy carrying. The plus-minus 60-degree quick pin button lock makes it easier to assemble fastly and adjust the pedal at any length to fit you perfectly. It's lightweight and suitable for almost all paddlers. Pros: sturdy and good value, adjustable length and pedal angle. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.